For today's video, meron akong gustong ipakita sa inyo. Gusto kong i-share sana sa inyo yung bago naming expander cross na monotone outdoor edition. Bale, kaka-display lang niya dito sa dealer namin, sa showroom, dito sa Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So, gusto ko lang kayong bigyan ng teaser o sneak peek para sa ating bagong expander. So, don't worry mga ka-wheels and deals kasi anytime na meron na siyang meron na dineclare na promo, all in, and kung magkano yung magiging mga discounting and kung ano yung mga bangko na magbibigay ng mga magandang discounts is babalitaan ko kayo and igagawan ko ng video vlog kung ano yung mga magiging sa kanya. So, just keep on watching. Mga ka-wheels, ito nga pala yung bago nating 2023 Expander Cross Outdoor Edition para sa bago nating limited edition colors, genuine accessories at exclusive camping gear. Ito na yung perfect timing to explore the great outdoor. SRP niya is 1,363,000 at makikita nyo rin para sa bagong variant exclusive colors niya is para naman sa kanyang T-shape na very elegant. Makikita nyo na sa Expander Cross Outdoor Edition ay equipped na ng 3 projector LED lights house. Naka T-shape na rin na headlights na design na nag-o-offer ng advanced look, wider appearance, and better forward visibility. For the dynamic shield concept naman is parehas na silang with new front and rear bumpers with guard bar motif same as the new Expander Cross, both mass aggressive yet prestigious look resembling to the Mitsubishi Motors SUVs. Hindi na kayo malilito pa sa presence ng T-shape taillight ng ating outdoor edition. LED combination taillights na magmamatch sa T-shape lightning signature up front. The new T-shape taillights emphasize the new Expander Cross width and stability. Comes with roof rails which more than enhancing its SUV-like appearance. Offers boundless, practically top with loading options. Sa steering wheel naman, makikita nyo na naka 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel from its SUV sibling, kamukha ng sa Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Naka 7-inch touchscreen smartphone link display o SDA with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity na pwede mong i-connect sa smartphone or Android mo with your car display to safely use your smartphone's app kapag kinakailangan. Get driving directions, tumawag at makinig ng paborito mo na musics nang hindi mo hinahawakan ang cellphone mo. The cabin seat cover material, naka high quality leather with heat guard ang ating Expander Cross Outdoor Edition. Leather with accent stitches, navy blue and black leather are synthetic with heat guard function that suppress the seat surface of temperature from rising. Thank you so much mga ka-wheels sa panonood ng ating basic review ng Outdoor Edition. Bye!